I'm always doing the video. Also, guys, now we're just heading out. I thought I was gonna drift, but I now drifted. Hell no, guys. You know what, guys? I'm about to go to the airport and just drift. Bro! Bro, can you stop? I'm doing a video. Oh my god. So, guys, I didn't do any tricks to show you. You say, Yusuf, do tricks. Now I'm showing you. So this drift, so that's what it's called, Japan drifting. Did to me, ooh, they should do. So guys, I didn't show you the real power, the real speed of my car. So today's your lucky day, cause I'm about to do it. It's the luckiest video. Stop. So let's drift back. So I'm trying to get bonus. Woo! Let's go, baby! Oh my god, no way. I'm about to get rich. Guys, I don't know how I do this. Guys, I'm gonna just wait and do this. Oh hell no, all my tires. Now I think my tires are gone. See, huh? It's Let me see how much money I got. Oh my god, I got 30. Let me see what this. Oh guys, I have 30 history. Huh? I do it. Huh? Had to believe I was a kid that I. Oh, yeah. You're like a kid.
Bankai.
Gotta get everything. You're like a digger. No. Huh? Hatuchi. Ha. It's a goodie. Oh, give it. Hatuchi. Ha. It's a goodie. Oh, give it a throw, daddy. Tonight, Mom. I care, buddy. Gotta look at the car, man. Let's go. The last time I got this one. One of the other one. And I got this one. That was last time. And this is, I didn't get it. And I got this thing. No. And guys, I might take the risk, watch 15 ads and get the Ferrari. It's a buggy. These times are me also near. Yo, bro. I got 50. I got 50 years. Guys, I'm sorry, but I think the. So, guys, we're gonna wait until the ad pops in. See? Bruh. Chico, so Celestial Security Spell. You know what, guys? Still don't wanna watch. Let's just watch YouTube. Oh my god.
These are the ones that caused this on my knuckles today. So today we're going to talk about the worst boxing gloves you can ever get. I started boxing 3 years ago when I was 26, 29 now. When I first started, I had no idea what boxing was. A lot of you guys have asked me to do this video, so I'm going to do it.
Bye,
The first
guys.
pair of gloves